in LG Polytechnic, Architecture Assistantship. Welcome to this video series of our subject estimating and costing. So today we are going to cover the rate analysis. So today we will learn the rate analysis of a brickwork. So as you can see on the board, I have already written the item of work. So right now we are calculating the brickwork, which is the first class brickwork having the proportion of 1:6 in superstructure. So in previous session we already understand this table which we are using for the rate analysis. So we are calculating two types of quantities. The quantity of materials, which has this separate section, and quantity of labors. So let's start the calculation. So first we'll require obviously bricks for this brickwork. So I'm adding that. Also I'm adding the measurements, the size of a brick. So right now we have to mention the size of a brick so it can be clear that how much rate we are using for a particular brick. If we are taking 4,000 rupees for 1,000 number of bricks, then which size of bricks we are using. So we have to mention the size. So we have 19 by 9 by 9 centimeter bricks. Next I'm adding the other material, cement and the sand. Also we're going to calculate sunrise for the materials. So now I'm adding the rates, market rates. So for the bricks we are paying 4,500 per 1,000 number of bricks. So if we are purchasing the 1,000 number of bricks of this size, we have to pay 4,500. Next I'm adding the cement rate, which is 350 rupees per bag. Sand per meter cube we are paying 1,000 rupees. So these are the basic rates. So now it's time to use the proportion. So I am taking this proportion here. The information we have is this. Now we already know that this proportion indicates the ratio of cement and sand. Cement and sand. So the total is 7. So now I'm calculating the cement first, which is used 1 in proportion out of 7. So now I'm adding the standard for the brickwork. If we are using the 10 meter cube brickwork, we're gonna take the 3.3 meter cube mortar. So this proportion is the volumetric work, which is in meter cube. So this standard I'm adding, and this will help us to find the bags of cement. So now I'm finding the volume of cement here, 0.47 meter cube. So right now we require the bags for the quantity. So I am dividing this 0.47 meter cube by 0.035, which is the standard for the bags. So this will be our final answer. Let's say 14. 14 will be the final quantity of cement. So same way we're gonna find the sand, which is 6 in proportion out of 7 into 3.3 meter cube. So I'm taking this amount here. So sand will be 2.83 meter cube. So we already had the idea of different standards for brickwork and cement work in our previous session. How are we going to find the quantity of bricks? So for 1 meter cube, bricks are used up in number of 500. So 500 bricks we require. So I am taking 5,000 number of bricks because we are calculating the 10 meter cube work. So first bricks will be so our material quantity is done. Amount of material, the total cost of material will be 30,300 rupees. So our one calculation is done. Now moving ahead to the labors. So first will be Mistri, the main mason, the mason, male coolie, female coolie, Bijli, and sunrise. So now number of labors we're going to calculate. So first we require Mistri of 0.5, which is the half day. Then mason, 7 number of mason, 7 number of coolies, 7 number of female coolies, 7 number of Bijli. So now I'm adding the basic rates for these labors. 800 rupees for Mistri, 500 rupees for mason, 350 rupees for maid coolie, 300 for female coolie, Bijli will be 280 rupees. So this amount we are paying for per day work. So we have to mention that in the final section we are finding the cost of labor. Finally 70 rupees for the sunrise. The total cost of labor will be 9,080 rupees, which is the total cost for labors. Total cost of labor plus materials will be 380 rupees. We're gonna adding the profits and the water charges. So first we calculate 1.5% of water charge, 591 rupees. Next, 10% of contractor's profit will be 3,938 rupees. Total cost of construction 43,909 rupees. So we are paying 40,909 rupees for the first class brick work if we are using this proportion in superstructure diameter cube work. So that's all for now. I hope you find this video useful. Keep watching for the session.